When you're ready, if you just joined me, Louisiana artists, the Knuckleheads are in the building. My boy Smoke. What up, Smoke?
What it do, Alexander? What's out with it?
We want to welcome you to the city, man. A lot of stuff going on. You got a new mix C that's out. I understand you've got about 50 videos posted up. First of all, tell everybody about yourself that's not familiar with you.
My other half of me couldn't make it right now, Jay Will, but I'm out here, Smoke representing for the Knuckleheads. We got a new mixtape just dropped called The Deposit, just hit the streets. Baby co-signed Henrock from Bad Boy on there. We got Flow Ride on there, Vicious on there, Wo Chi and Lady Kim with our single called Fly Chick. So we out here promoting right now, getting it in, you hear me?
I had a chance to check out the album, and it is so off the chain. How long did it take you to finish the mix CD?
Really and truly, it took us like 4 days. We just had to get all the features to get it on and stuff. But as far as recording the music, that don't take us nothing, you hear me?
I've seen you guys hail it down in Alexandria. Over the weekend, you guys did a lot of promotion. As a matter of fact, you've been coming down in the area a lot. So how's it coming so far?
It's coming real good because like Alexander's showing us so much love, and it's like we don't want to pull away right now because all the love we getting, so we just out here holding it down for Alexander, you know what I'm saying? So every weekend we hitting this joint out here. We doing it big. Shout out to Pookie at the Fun Shop, you know what I'm saying? We went to Boyce, put up posters and all over. Been by all kind of gas stations, selling CDs in the mall and everything, holding it down. My dog Young Soup Kid, Ray from Alexander, you hear me? Doing it big like that. Shout out to you too, RJ, for coming through for us, you hear me?
Oh, that's what it is. Speaking of that, on that note, how can they get in touch with you? I know you got a lot of mixed CDs, you got a lot of videos out. How can they get at you, man?
Well, for features, CDs, anything, promotions, anything, you get at my manager, Justin Noel, Corporate Hustle, at area code 337-303-3485, area code 337-326-7208, knuckleheads@gmail.com.
Now, I got to get straight to the point now. I understand you are producing a rock band.
Yeah, the Pwels. We doing a lot of stuff.
How that happen, man? How that happen?
What happened was, you know, matter of fact, Boosie was all in the same building, and they had a manager. He was in town. He was like, man, why y'all don't try no crossover music? But I mean, like, we was thinking about it, but we was kind of like funny with it, kind of shady with it, because we was like, man, how we gonna do that? Because we rap so much hood stuff, and you know. But what happened was we took a chance. We hooked up with the boys, the band called the Pwels. You can check them out on YouTube and everything. Matter of fact, we got videos with them, and like the collaboration, like it just was like hot, like when we did it. And like when we did the first joint, it's called You Know. Matter of fact, we got the rock joint and the regular joint, and like when we perform it, like the energy we get from people, man.
What is your Facebook? What's your MySpace?
MySpace Knucklestars at yahoo.com.
Spell it for him.
KNUCKLHEADZ and Stars STARZ.
And plus, coming up, we're going to be talking about the single you got with Wo Chi and Lady Kim. She's a trio, first trio. So we'll talk about that later on. Knuckleheads in the building. Most Wanted Jams Countdown. RJ is on.
Let's get it.
He's Let's go.
Just like that. Energy, just like that. What up, baby? Already.
Good.
What up, now? You got it, baby. You got it. What up, Scoop? You got it. Yeah. Hey, you can pull that dude or your boy. He see outside.
Yeah, he outside.
Everybody, I see y'all. Everybody in the building. In the building.
In the house.
In the building. Lafayette in the building. Alexander in the building. We in here, you hear me? My dog RJ.
Already.
See what we did.
Flat in town. Don't be flat in the A.
Man, matter of fact, today I'm from Alexander. From Alexander today.
Yo.
Sorry, Lafayette. There's much love. I'm from Alexander today.
Already.
My boy Soup.
Young Soup in the building, man. Messing with them knuckleheads, bro. Smoke in the building. Will couldn't make it, but it's all love. Be at the radio station doing things.
Man, Will pregnant. Will pregnant.
He pregnant, man.
Will pregnant.
How many months?
3 months.
Got 6 more to go.